model, 2014 Renault Master MM35 Sport DCI 125 medium wheelbase, medium roof 12 months MOT silver. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 180585. MOT, the 18th of February 2026. Engine, 2298 CCM 90-125 E5J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, 12 months MOT, parking sensors, air-con, electric windows, cruise control, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us